situação para dentro do Aeropuerto Internacional Reina Beatrix, mas a popular parte de minimarket, diferente trabalhador para por fora, se não por assim algum trabalho atualmente pasahero não tem rei. A situação que botou aqui no Aeropuerto Internacional Reina Beatrix. You were planning to leave the island?
Yes, unfortunately.
And what happened?
There's no power.
Power went out.
What did the personnel of the airport tell you?
Well, they said they don't have enough information yet, but once they get it, they'll let us know.
But your flight has been cancelled, or is it still ongoing?
Not yet. We don't know.
No, there hasn't been. They just said no incoming, no outgoing flights due to the power.
All right.
Right.
Thank you.
No problem.
So depois pasahero nan, turista nan americano que vem aqui nos islas, mas popular nan tá metade de falta de informação, pelo qual a situação aqui no Aeropuerto Internacional Reina Beatrix, nan turta pendiente para o que que vai dar assim o seguinte passo, nan mirando pues que não tem suministro de coriente e essa aí pone agora que o Aeropuerto Internacional Reina Beatrix, o que está suspender sua operação nan Debi na é problema de corriente aqui.
I said, make sure you ask why the backup generators aren't working at the airport.
Yes. Yeah, they're trying to figure out.
Solar array.
Yes. So, but what did they tell you when you arrived to the airport?
They haven't told us anything. I live on the island, so I knew when I left, and my neighborhood has like a communication thing, and they are the ones who told us. They haven't told us anything here.
You don't know if your flight has got canceled or anything.
Well, I do, but I have other people to tell me, so they don't know anything in there. They can't process bags if you have a bag to check. I was told that flights are being diverted to Curacao because they can't land them. So.
How do you find this kind of blackouts occurring every couple of months?
Like every 3 or 4 or 5 months.
Yeah.
Outgrowing the infrastructure, for sure.
What do we need to do then? Maybe. Any suggestions?
Well, pause the building until you fix the infrastructure to support what's already here. From the sewage that's there on Eagle Beach, where that plant goes out, to power outages, the roads, it's got to catch up.